How to delete top searches on Netflix. So if you want to delete top searches on your Netflix, then you need to open up your Netflix application, or you can simply go with your browser. So once you're here on the Netflix, now if you want to delete the top search list on your Netflix, then I'm sorry to tell you that because there is no option on how you are going to delete the one or delete this, because this is the Netflix decision to put this movie series and films on the top searches. So there is no way you can delete this and there's no option to that. But if you long press on any one of that, then you can slide that to the right or to the left. So if you swipe that to the right, then you can delete the search, but it doesn't mean that you have deleted it entirely, because if you go again for the search and if you search, then it will be there on the top searches. So sorry for that, you won't be able to delete top searches on your Netflix, on your browser, or on your app. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.